it took 2 months from start to finish for this renovation, and it is amazing. I mean, everything was clockwork, the communication was awesome, and the commitment to professionalism was over the top. And you just look at the detail and look at the gym behind me. I mean, it is something to be very proud of, and certainly the Boys and Girls Clubs of the Twin Cities really is. I'm Doug Shellum with the Boys and Girls Clubs. I am the Director of Facilities, and I've been here for about 2 years now. And my main role is to take care of our 11 sites. This is our third club gymnasium renovation with the H2I Group. And we've done Southside in South Minneapolis on 39th in Chicago. We've done the Jerry Gamble Club on 2410 Irving Avenue North, and now this one, Eastside Club, at 1620 Ames Avenue East in St. Paul. So we're really excited to bring you into this club today because we just finished it and we're here before anybody has really walked on the floor. It just got finished last week. You're gonna be seeing, older kids here and not the younger kids. And really they'll be able to use this for volleyball and transitioning into high school volleyball. They use it for badminton, for basketball, for all of those uses. And we have some side windows here that you can, look in and see the activity. So I can't wait, they've been watching and waiting to get in here and get on this floor. They're excited to get in here because of the fact that the gym was tired and it was ready for a renovation. This building was built in 1994 and had seen a minimal renovation over the years. H2I Group was able to produce what you're seeing in the background for me. Not only do they do the structure for the gym, they coordinate the paint, they do the sanding of the floor, they put the lines down, they know all the regulations for all the courts and the sizes. They work with you, not for you. They're a partner, and they really make sure that your job comes out perfect. And there's really great care and concern and follow-up, and communication lines are always open. And if you have a question, you ask it and it gets answered promptly. So, really the H2I Group is a soup to nuts provider for certainly the Boys and Girls Clubs of the Twin Cities, and done a great job in renovating our clubs. So the kids have a great, safe place to come and let some steam off and enjoy the Timberwolves, Lynx, and US Bank sponsorship of what we have to offer here. So it's been a great partnership with the H2I Group, and all the people have been over the top, caring and really do a good job when it comes to the project and making sure that they're not working against, but with you.